Hello, I'm Sanika Giri from Electronics. So I'm going to perform Docker practical. So let's start. Firstly, we'll understand the basic terms. What is Docker? Docker is a set of platform as a service product that use OS level virtualization to deliver software in packages called container. So this is something about Docker. So the developer of Docker is Docker Incorporation, and the programming language used is Golang, which is Google Golang programming language. Let's see some basic things. So image. A Docker image is a file used to execute code in a Docker container. Docker image acts as a set of instructions to build a Docker container like a template. So container or Docker container image is lightweight, standalone, and executable package of software that includes everything needed to run an application, code, runtime, system tools, system libraries, and settings. So let's move on to the actual practical. So for the practical, we need to install Docker Desktop, or you can simply use Docker Hub. So I have installed Docker Desktop here. From this, you can from the search bar, you can directly search the uh, images want to pull and directly pull the images from here. But I'm going to use the command prompt. So I'm going to pull the image of Nginx, which is basically a web server. So let's start. So to pull the image, we need to type one command. So it will take some time. Just wait for the process to be done. So it is downloading over the internet, and after some time it will show that complete. Yes, it is showing the full complete. So we can see in Docker desktop in images tab. So here it is showing Nginx. So for to run this, we have to run it in optional settings. We have to enter 0 to assign randomly generated host ports. So I'm going to enter 0 here. So it will assign random port number. Yes, so here you can see the random port number is assigned. If we click this, we'll get to see the image. Now, to run the container, we need to type one command, docker run and nginx. So it is showing start worker process. So let's go to the, yes. So here it is showing the container. We have pulled image of Nginx, and here it is showing the container of it. Now, there is one command docker ps to check the container running or not, and to see all the details about the container. So let's type it. So it is showing all the information of images which we have pulled. So here it is showing container ID, image, the commands, the time, and it is showing the port and port number as well. So we have assigned 0. So it is showing 0.0.0.0 and the random port assigned. Now there is also one command which is docker ps -a. So it will show all the containers, or we have all the containers we have opened and the timing when we have used or opened that container, and also the port numbers. So there is also one command which is docker stop to stop the container. For that, we have to mention uh, the container ID as well. So I'm going to copy this ID. So now if we type docker ps, so it is going to show only one container, that because I have used the container ID 9B6BB. So and stopped that container, so it is not showing that container. Now just stop the remaining container as well. So docker stop, and I'm going to copy the another container ID as well. Now if we type docker ps, then it is showing container ID image command created status ports name, but it is not showing any running container because we have stopped it using the command. So lastly, we can go to the container tab and we can see here the container which we have created, but its status, it's showing excited because we have stopped this using command. So that's it about the practical. Thank you.